I know that the holidays can be a difficult time for a lot of people. This can be a time of loss when people have lost their loved ones, close family members, friends, relationships. This is a time. This is a time for many for grieving, and it can be especially difficult to see all the festivities when you're grieving. Um, I think when people want you to cheer up and you just you're suffering. It's very difficult. So, in the meditation today, I'd just like to bring some love to that. And with that, find a comfortable spot, some place where you'll have minimal interruption, and some place where you can be still, or as still as you can be. And let's meditate. So I invite you to connect with your spirit, your breath, and take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. A deep breath in. And a deep breath out. And a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Now I want you to imagine the feeling of love right where you touch the center of your chest. Just take some breaths and imagine deep, amazing, connected, caring, compassionate love right here. Love. Love. I love you. Receive these words. I love you. I love you. And what do I mean by I love you? I want you to be happy. I want you to be healthy. I want you to be safe. And I want you to be at peace. Now you might just bring to mind some of that grief. Don't try to focus too much on it, just maybe name it. Name the person you've lost, the thing you've lost, the pet you've lost, whatever it is. For me, it's my grandfather. And I'll take a deep breath as I feel some grieving pain with that. I feel some aching in my chest. Now I'm going to apply love. I love you. I love you. The pain can sometimes feel jagged and rough and overwhelming. What we're doing is shifting our focus to something more gentle. I love you. I love you. I love you. Own this statement for yourself. I love you. Or maybe the phrase I love you doesn't work for you. Maybe you can just say, I want you to be well. I want you to be happy, truly happy. I want you to be healthy, without illness. I want you to feel safe and without fear of being harmed. I want you to be at peace and not feel like something is missing. I want you to feel whole. 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 So thank you for spending some time meditating with me today. May you learn to give and receive love.